This is us currently disassemble a fasten system with 60 positions, 2 Makino A81. This is the layout, machines, everything getting ready to be shipped to our customer, everything prepared.
Hello, this is the machine. It is installing. Big problem is they moved it forward, they change tools. If you look inside, you need to pull up, cut, and move in this side. Or disconnect this. This is a particular part to change tools. Remove the pod inside the machine and need disconnect for transport.
Super powerful spindle, 10K RPMs, getting ready for transport. Professional 5 Panux control system.